I'm very much disappointed so far, but I do believe I'll get there. I want to show you how to do laundry alone. When it's you as a man, you take that positive energy and you do it your way. See, so there must be something much better than that. Come. Put water, basin, and then when the water is there, fetch it and then put inside the machine there. Comes in. Put another one here. You don't need to have when things are tough like this, you can put soap there. When you put soap, definitely you put more water there. I think this is the best way. And I'm struggling to put water here. I wish I'm married, I have a family. I could not be struggling the way I'm struggling here. But I'm okay. There's that time you have to be a man yourself. You do things alone, man. Expecting nothing from nobody. Because bottom line is you have to be clean. You have to make sure the house is clean, the clothes are clean. The things will work. And this is one of the way you can prove to the society you can be a man on your own. And you achieve a lot. Achieve a lot through being yourself. Understand? Through being yourself, you will achieve the goal. You don't need to wait for people to give you stress you have never seen, never heard about. You know, you can do it yourself, and you'll get there. Get there. Yeah, I know. You'll get there. I'm 100% sure you'll get there. Is the way it is. I'm happy. Can be able to do this. And then yeah, the machine is working. Now I can say it's a day to do the laundry. And when you do the laundry, make sure you do the right thing. You do it perfectly without expecting anybody to come your way and help you. It's you who is in charge of everything. So you take off the jacket, you take out everything you have, and you do the laundry. Well, is it so hard? I don't think it's hard. You don't need people to hang around you with expectations of money and some sort of you just be a man and you achieve something. Like today, the laundry, I'm happy. It's happening here. It's happening. See. You don't need to work with dirty clothes. And then I know my geyser is 100%. When I need to bath, take a shower, I can use it. But for now, what I'm doing here is laundry. Alone, the boy when he's alone like this, you have to engage in cleaning your clothes, making sure the house is clean. You iron those clothes. Don't expect women always to do these things for you. You can do them for yourself, and everything will be fine. You don't need to engage somebody for this. You can do it yourself and succeed. And when you succeed, then you must be the happiest man on earth, because that's what you want. Like now, for instance, screening is good because water is very clean. No, after I do the laundry, I will just now come here and make sure the machine is fine. Maybe within 20 minutes I'll be done, because man's schedule is busy and he doesn't have all that time to engage, with activities that are not worth it. I clean the compound as well. Yeah, you can see. And here you have the electric fence they put for me. I want to take my mop. If I have this time to make my yard green, then I really feel, I'm doing something. Even if maybe sometimes I'm too busy for other things. When I have that time, as a man, I have to have that state of making sure everything is taken care of. The family stuff, you before even you take out the uniform, you just come and take the machine out and you do the work. Like today I said, I want to put my machine out. I work from outside because I want that state of feeling I can do something. And I hope my fans, you're happy. I've shown you what I do every Friday afternoon. I have to come and clean, and then thereafter I have to use this Star Soft to soak the clothes there. Yeah, that's how I should live as a man. And when you're going out, the clothes are smelling good. If you don't create a system like this one, definitely it's going to be difficult for you to live in Western world. You will never have time for yourself. Cleaning, you have to call people to come and clean for you. Washing clothes, you have to go for the laundry. You pay a certain amount of money. Cleaning your house, heating the house, and the car itself is still consuming petrol, It's devastating, but this way, definitely things are working. And you'll enjoy, you'll feel you are somebody, because you have dedicated it to yourself to do something, and you enjoy it because you are entitled for it. Unlike now, when you are back in the continent where you can't at least be able to waste infrastructure resources. You just do everything with yourself. You put the base in there, you put the clothes there, you soak them, and you clean them. Here it's not like that. Here it's totally different. Hit that subscription button. Today I want to show you that you can do it, and this is how we do it. And I'm happy, I'm glad that you have seen it. Let me see how far this is gone. Let me see. Wow, the clothes from there, I'll put them here to spin them, squeeze them, and then I think I'm done. I'll be done. And I'm grateful I've shown you this is for putting dirty clothes in the house. Don't just throw them on the floor, you put them there. Anyway, guys, great times. Enjoy and subscribe to the channel, watch and follow these journeys, because I just want you guys to follow these journeys and enjoy like I do.